Harry and welcome back to another amazing video. So in today's video, we are going to be playing some Feather Family. I've played this game before and I love it. So let's freaking get into it. Okay. Let's be an egg, guys. Let's be an egg. Okay, Feather Family. Play. I'm gonna be an egg. I'm gonna be a long egg. Okay, body color. Let's. Yeah, this looks good. Blue looks good. Texture. Yeah, let's do this texture. Marking. Not gonna lie, this one looks like abs. But this is my favorite one. And marking colors will be this. And effects. I do not have any effects. Name's gonna be. I am long. What the flip is happening, guys? I'm gonna be a really big egg, guys. This is how big. Oh my god. Okay, name, of course, limited. Limited. Yep. And play. Okay, we are loading in, guys. We are freaking. Oh my. Look how big I am. Imagine the egg this big and I'm jumping. I'm jumping. Action. Shake. I'm cracking. I just love these. I love this game, not gonna lie. I actually love it. Oh, egg! I'm almost as big as you, bro. You're bigger than me, I know. I'm just gonna roll. Should I hatch? I still need a hatch, guys. I know there's a hatch button right next to the actions. I'm going to press it in 3, 2, 1. Yes. What do I be? Do I be a swan? Let's be a swan. I am officially a baby swan. Swan. Okay, eyes will be white. Beak will be white. Actually, wait. You know what? I actually want to be a pigeon. So let's reset. I'm going to be an egg. I'm going to be a long egg. My color will be, of course, this. And then texture will be this. What's this? Yeah. Markings will be this. Color will be that. Effects. No effects. Name. Size. Yup. Big. And name limited. And play. Let's go. Wait, how can I climb a tree if I'm an egg? I need to find a pigeon. Eagle. Don't. Hello there. Hello there, things. Okay. What is that? Okay, I'll hatch. Yes. Should I be a swan? Should wait, I can choose different. Okay, yeah. I chose the new pigeon. Why does this look like this? Why does it look like that? Okay, eyes of course white, beak white, head black, and chest white I think. No, blue, white, yeah, white. And then body black, and wings of course black, and legs will be this. White legs. Nah, this. Okay, tail will be. Let's do white tail. Yes, sir. Sir. I'm a pigeon. I cannot fly, and I can run fast. I'm trying to fly, but I can't. I am zooming. Why I'm running the water? I am zooming. Yeah, I can fly my way there. Can I go? Okay, You're finch. Can I carry you? Okay. I think this is still a baby. I know where to drop him. Okay. I'm going to be dropping them right. No, come back! Oh, come back! Oh, what the flip? Okay, yeah, I'm a girl. Yes. Make new colors. Oh my, this looks sick. This looks sick, guys. This looks insane. Imagine a pigeon like this. I would love a pigeon like this, guys. Okay, time to customize. Should I keep it like this or should I customize it? I'm not gonna lie, I really want to keep it like this. Yeah, let's keep it like this. Let's flip and keep. Oh my god. I'm just a pigeon. This does not look like a pigeon, guys. What the flip? This bird must rest. What do you mean? What happened? Why do I need a rest? Why do I need a rest? Oh, maybe because I'm here. Okay. Yeah, what is happening? I mean, this bird is insanely cool. Should I make a nest? I'm gonna make a nest real quick. I'm gonna make a nest. Why do I have to rest? I want to make a rest, but I want to make a nest, but I have to rest. Okay, customize. Oh, we do this in customize. I'm just gonna do text. This looks ugly. Oh my god, this looks insane. Let's keep it this. Yeah, this is good. Marking, should I? Now, what the flick? Flip to the no, bro. I want effects, but I can't. Yeah, that's the biggest I can go. This is the smallest I can go. This is the biggest I can go. 110 is the biggest I can go. I'm gonna make my name red. Okay. Yeah, I look big. Where do I make my nest though? That's the question. Wait, I see some light over there. Bro, let me fly! Let me fly! I don't care if this bird has to rest. I was about to say nest has to rest. This nest has to rest, bro. No sense. Yes, this is where I love to make my nest. No, I'm not here. Run faster. Where's that barn? Yeah, there. That's where I love to make my nest. You're probably thinking someone here, but... Bro, let me climb! I just want to make my nest. And my nest... What's this? This is good because there's a rat over here. Look. Eat rat. I'm gonna make my nest right over here. Nest. I'm gonna make a picnic. Okay. Here. Okay. Hatch, and hatch. Look at my little babies. They're so cute. They're just so cute. Okay, now grow up. I said grow up. Okay, this guy is going to be the luckiest. This guy right here. Who's on my back? This guy is going to be the second luckiest because he's on my beak and I might eat him. This guy is the worst luckiest because I have to pick him. Oh. Not gonna lie, these look like sushis. They look like sushi. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just gonna put you in my nest. Okay. Drop. Yes, sir. Okay. Well, you guys take some rest. I'll dip. Okay. Bro, I would absolutely love if pigeons would be like this. Oh my god. Imagine a pigeon like this. You just wake up, you see a pigeon like that. It would just be so amazing. Just look at the realistic stuff in this game. But one problem I have this. It has stamina. Yep, that's the problem. Phew. I don't care if this bird has to rest. Open. Don't know how I open these things, but I do. I don't want to rest. You can't force me to rest, game. Wait a minute. What does even perch mean? Fly. I believe I can die. I believe I cannot touch the sky. Okay, run. Fly. Okay. Well, guys, this is the end of this video. And if you want more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you loved yesterday's video because it was on a bike. And pigeon, look here. Yeah. Grab this rat. And if you want to eat a rat like this pigeon, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm Harry, and I'm out.